Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and most exciting trends in lifestyle and design. Today we are diving into the incredible world of outdoor living as we uncover the rising star of culinary elegance, the outdoor kitchen trend. Imagine stepping out onto your lush backyard surrounded by the tranquil beauty of nature and being greeted by an oasis of culinary delight. Outdoor kitchens have been gaining immense popularity in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. These open air wonders provide a seamless fusion of functionality, style, and the joy of cooking amidst the great outdoors. One of the most appealing aspect of this trend is the way it brings families and friends together in a communal setting. While the delicious aromas of grilling and cooking fill the air, whether it's a sunny afternoon barbecue, an intimate dinner party under the stars, or a Sunday brunch with loved ones, an outdoor kitchen creates the perfect environment for both entertaining and relaxing. Outdoor kitchens allow homeowners to extend their living spaces beyond the walls of their homes. They offer a wonderful opportunity to maximize the potential of their outdoor areas and create a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors. As a chef, I can't emphasize enough how inspiring it is to cook in an outdoor kitchen. The fresh air, natural light, and the beauty of the surroundings add a unique dimension to the culinary experience. It brings joy and creativity to the cooking process. Outdoor kitchen come in various styles ranging from rustic and cozy to sleek and modern. Some designs even integrate with landscape, blending harmoniously with nature's beauty. Moreover, advancements in outdoor kitchen appliances have taken this trend to a whole new level. Today's outdoor kitchens feature high-end grills, pizza ovens, smokers, refrigerators, and even wine coolers, providing the ultimate convenience for aspiring chefs and grill masters. With the rise in demand for outdoor kitchens, manufacturers have invested heavily in developing durable, weather resistant appliances that can withstand the element while maintaining peak performance. Homeowners can now create a fully functional outdoor kitchen without compromising on quality. Building an outdoor kitchen may seem like a daunting task, but with the right planning and a touch of creativity, it can be a rewarding DIY project or a collaborative effort with professional designers. Here are some expert tips for designing your outdoor kitchen. Opt for weather resistant materials like stainless steel, stone, and concrete to ensure longevity and easy maintenance. Consider adding a pergola canopy or a retractable awning to provide shade and protection from the elements. Designate different zones for cooking, dining, and socializing to maximize functionality and flow. Add lush plants and vertical gardens to infuse the space with natural beauty and touch of tranquility. Install proper lighting to extend your outdoor kitchen usability well into the evening, creating an inviting ambience. As the sun sets and the stars come out, the magic of outdoor kitchen truly comes alive. The soft glows of string lights, flickering candles, and warmth of a fire pit create an enhancing atmosphere for unforgettable gatherings. The outdoor kitchen trend has captured the hearts of homeowners worldwide, and it's not hard to see why. It offers unparalleled experience of cooking, dining, and connecting with nature and loved ones. So, if you have been dreaming of taking your culinary adventures outdoors, now is the perfect time to embrace the outdoor kitchen trend and turn your backyard into a culinary heaven. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content on lifestyle design and everything in between.